In my last tutorial, I showed you how to modify the subject line in an Act Marketing Automation campaign. Now we're inside the email editing it, and the way you do that is you go up to Actions, and when you click on Actions, go to Properties, and inside of Properties, you're going to see right here you can modify the subject line. Now, on that note, there's another thing you can do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in for, F-O-R, I'm going to put a space, and over here under the Select Merge field, I'm going to click on a drop down here. I'm going to actually unclick that. I'm going to select this and just delete it out of there. And I'm going to start typing in, not fast, first. And as I do this and look for things, you're going to notice that the option becomes first name. So I'm going to click on this. And now what it does is it took the field from Act, the contact first name, and it put it right there. So the outcome of this, and I'm going to just clean up, I've got an extra space there, is when I send this email out, it's going to see the Act contact's first name and automatically insert it there. So you can have some field in Act inserted in the subject line. And that might be good for the first name or maybe the full name, but you can insert that into the subject line. When I first saw this, I thought, geez, that's interesting. But on second thought, the more I think about it, the more I think in these kind of email campaigns, sometimes less is more. And less you can put in subject lines and in the body and the different types of things, the more likely it is to keep it away from the spam filters. So although you can do this and it might be useful, this is something that I urge my clients to just be a little cautious with. Don't go overboard with this. But I like the idea of putting the contact's name in there. It seems to personalize it and make it a little bit more known, or maybe make them curious enough that they decide to open the email. So that's how you put in that person's first or last name, full name, whatever you want to put in there. You can insert a field in the subject line. An interesting concept. Anyway, thank you for being here. My name is Tony Holowitz. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you very much. Be well, my friends.